making cars.
That's it, 45.
Wow.
Third gear.
We're in third gear.
That speedometer is as big as.
What do you think, Emily? Isn't that cool? It's from a time capsule, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's so
Look how nice that
Somebody
property
behind us?
looks.
No.
Now, is that Plymouth or clutch?
No. It's Boost and automatic.
I don't know. I was in that a long time ago. You guys, did you go in the parade, the Halloween parades and deliver candy to kids in that, like when you were little? In
Yeah.
Titan?
Yes. Good on the right.
Except for this black Elantra. Then could you go a little slower in case your brakes aren't good?
Well, I'll have it on camera for insurance.
Second gear downshift works. We have a little backfire. That's compression in the engine. You always got to wait to stop completely.
Oh yeah, you grind the gears. Don't grind them. If you can't find them, grind them. Oh Jesus. Now your mother would have been flipping if you were out here on the
I
road.
wanted to take her, and she did not want to go.
No, before you left, she goes, I hope this isn't a long ride.
Who were you waving at?
That was a
That was
wave, and
make a right.
I was doing a semaphore right turn.
Semaphore.
Semaphore is that's left and that's